What is up, Fragrance family? This is your boy, Amoy Piranyan. My name is Armin. I'm going to give you my first impression and later, I'm going to give you my feedback about this parang exclusive Middle Eastern release from the brand of Versace, and this is Versace Eros Najim. And shout out kay Boss Deeds. This is his own personal use, and this is something that you cannot even find it here in Philippines. So let's check it out. I'll do my first impression and give you my honest opinion. Two sprays, and let's see how is this. It's a parfum version, so it's quite maybe potent. Let's see. First impression, guys. It's totally different. It's a blast of very burst, thick mandarin orange. Parang literal na parang pongkan or parang mandarin orange na sobrang zest and very very fruity. Yung parang pinipisal mo yung mandarin at pongkan.
Actually, para siyang kiat-kiat.
Kiat-kiat. Ayun, kiat-kiat. May pagka-kiat-kiat. Sobrang thick. I think hindi to pwede sa Pilipinas, but we will see later if how does it perform on a high heat summer day and especially let's say sa colder weather. Now, nasa air-conditioned environment ka.
Pwede yan, ako 25 sprays dyan eh.
Oh my God! 25 sprays daw siya. So it's quite thick. May parang caramelly texture siya. Very caramel. I think this is good for night out. This is something that you won't even expect from Versace Eros, from Versace brand, that they would release this kind of a scent. Something that parang it goes out of the boundary ng Eros line. Lahat ng mga flankers niya. The Eau de Toilette, Eau de Parfum, and so on. And which is the energy. It's totally different. But this is really different. I think
Para siyang Eros Flame na caramel.
yes, yung parang burst ng mandarin but with the added with caramel. So let's see the transition. Stay tuned kayo after siguro after 8 hours, I'll give you my final review of Versace Eros Najim. Till next time, Fragrance family, after several hours. What is up, guys? So here is my final feedback after several days about sa Versace Eros Najim. Actually, na-testing ko na siya and tumagal naman siya. Nag-push siya more than mga 9 hours sa skin ko. Then after that, it didn't project that much anymore. Kasi na-testing ko siya sa malamig at sa mainit. Sa malamig, okay naman siya. Pero sa mainit, masakit siya sa ulo. So, it's not tolerable scent sa mainit. That's why nilagay nila exclusive for Middle Eastern lang. Kasi yung sa Middle Eastern, mahilig sila sa oud. So if you love oud, caramel, and nandun yung DNA ng Eros Flame, you might love this one. But nothing much special, nothing much parang groundbreaking, nothing mind-blowing sa itong release nila. I think they could do better and they could take their time na mag-release sila ng malupit na pabango na something parang outside the box naman. Hindi yung puro people-pleasing scent. Let me know your honest thoughts about Versace Eros Najim in the comment section down below. And kung ano mga favorite DNA nyo from Versace line. Till next time, abangan nyo mga upcoming contents na.